Hey everyone, I'm Flo, Duties Behind the Camera, and we're all about simple food, simple faith. We are combining two of our favorite things today, ginger and green onion sauce and egg fried rice. One of the best things about Hainanese chicken is the ginger and green onion sauce, and that is what we're using to combine with our egg fried rice to make it super delicious. I'm using 3 green onions, and you can use as much or as little as you like. No, that's not true. You can use as much as you like. I'm using 3, don't skimp. I'm just gonna save a little bit for garnish at the end, but the rest I'm gonna throw into the wok. I have about an ounce of ginger. It's a pretty big piece. I'm going to just grate it on top of the green onion because it's all going into the wok at the same time. And I'm using a grater because I like how finely it gets the ginger. And it'll give me about 1.5 tablespoons. If you like this video, it would really help the channel if you click like and subscribe for more simple food ideas. I'm also using 3 eggs. So I'm just going to break them up into a bowl and give it a little beat. Good enough. And just like that, we're ready to cook. I've got my wok, turning it on to a medium high. And I like using a wok because it just gives me greater surface area to do all the stir frying. If you don't have a wok, you can use a frying pan, a very large frying pan, just to be able to, something that you can move all the food around in quickly. Once you see a wisp of smoke, add your oil. I use about 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You can use any neutral cooking oil. And we're going to get our eggs going. And with a stainless steel pan, so this is a stainless steel wok. When you wait for the wok or this pan to heat up until it's hot enough before you add the oil, things do not stick. One of the things I always forget to do is to season my eggs with just a pinch of salt. And we're going to remove the egg. I'm turning the heat down to a low because I don't want my ginger to burn. Adding about a tablespoon of oil, and I'm going to add my ginger and green onions, chopped up and grated. Oh, the smell is so good. I'm going to add a tad more oil. I remember when I just had my first child and my mom made me a lot of ginger and egg fried rice. And it was because ginger is very healing, and so that's what she made for me to heal. But you know who loved it more than I did? Dude, this is one of his favorites. But I added more green onions than my mom did, so that's where the added flavor is going to come from. I have about 3 to 4 cooked leftover rice. This was from the fridge, and we're just going to break it up and add it. And leftover rice works great for fried rice because when it's dry, it kind of absorbs all the flavors that you're adding to it. And for leftovers, it gives you something else to serve with whatever you're having for dinner. You don't have to have the same plain old rice the next day. I'm going to move some of the green onion and ginger up to the top. And just let the rice kind of heat up and do its thing. I'm going to turn the heat back up to a medium. So I like to let the rice kind of sit for a little bit to heat through, and I press it down and it kind of breaks up the chunks. Okay, almost there. Just a few chunks left. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. The only seasoning we're using is soy sauce. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. I just want to stir fry this until the rice is kind of evenly brown by the color of the soy sauce. Break up any remaining chunks. I'm going to add our egg back in. Just chop it up a bit. Okay, turning the heat off, adding about a teaspoon of sesame oil. Give it a stir, and that's it. We're gonna have this with my recipe for Hawaiian ribs, or Hawaiian style ribs. And it's just going to be so good with it because it has some ginger in the ribs as well. And yeah, let me get a serving plate. All right. So simple, guys. Easy to make fried rice at home. It's too heavy. Okay, just adding the remaining green onions for garnish. Are you all ready for?
Dude, this is the taste. One of the greatest mashups of ginger and onion condiment with egg fried rice. What's not to like? So let's get into it. Yeah. Solid. Grains of the rice. Nice and separated on their own, in their own goodness. Eggs. I love eggs done this way. Excellent side dish, not just plain rice. Plain rice is good, but this is like 1000% better as a side to your main. In this case, we're having ribs tonight, but you can rock this as a main all on its own. And there's more than enough for leftovers, so do it.
Awesome, thanks, dude. So easy, you don't need a recipe, but if you do need to see something, check it out on FLO'S.com.